7 Secrets to Multiply Your Money. Have you ever dreamed of having financial freedom? Do you want to know how to multiply your money and achieve your economic goals? If yes, then you are at the right place. In this video, I bring you the 7 secrets to multiply your money that will help you achieve your financial goals. Whether they want to travel the world, retire early, or be assured of an emergency fund, these secrets will give you the tools you need to make smart financial decisions and grow your wealth. It's not about magic or luck, it's about strategy and hard work. If you follow these secrets, you'll be on the road to financial freedom. Secret number 1. Pay yourself first. This secret is all about establishing a saving habit and making saving a priority. Ideally, you should save at least 10% of your monthly income and establish a budget for your expenses. By doing so, you will be ensuring that you always have an emergency fund or a fund to invest in the future. 2. Put your money in motion. This secret means that you must invest your money in financial instruments that generate interest or returns. By doing so, your money will start working for you, generating more money and increasing your net worth. Some options may be savings accounts, stock market investments, or real estate. 3. Diversify your investments. This secret is about reducing the risk of losses when investing your money in different financial instruments. By having a diversified portfolio, your losses will be reduced in case a particular sector or investment does not perform well. It is important to research and understand different financial instruments before investing in them. 4. Set dates for the things you want, and for when you want them. This secret is all about setting clear financial goals and time frames for achieving them. By doing so, you will be creating a financial plan and a strategy to achieve your goals. Financial goals can be short dash, medium dash, or long term, and can include goals like saving for a home of your own, paying off debt, investing in an education, or starting your own business. 5. Spend money only on things that benefit you in the long run. This secret is all about being wise with your spending and thinking long-term. It is important to spend your money on things that provide you with long-term benefits, such as an education, a home of your own, a business, or investments. Avoid spending your money on things that won't provide long-term benefits, such as impulse purchases or excess luxuries. 6. Don't be afraid to take risks. This secret is all about taking calculated risks to achieve your financial goals. Although you must be careful and not take excessive risks, you must also be willing to step out of your comfort zone and take steps to multiply your money. Some options may include investments in startups or real estate projects. 7. Increase your income with secondary activities. This secret is all about finding ways to increase your income through side hustles, like starting your own business or doing a side job. By doing so, you will have more money to invest and multiply. Some options may include selling products online, renting a room in your house, or offering tutoring or consulting services. It's important to find a sideline that you're passionate about and that allows you to earn money sustainably. I hope these tips have been useful and have given you ideas to improve your financial situation. Remember that there is no magic formula to get rich overnight. But if you stay focused on your goals and follow these secrets, you'll be on the right path to financial freedom. Whether you decide to pay off debt, invest in the stock market, or explore new sources of income, always remember the importance of discipline and perseverance. So don't waste any more time, and start applying these secrets in your daily life. I wish you the best of success on your path to financial freedom.